Hello everyone and welcome to my channel RS Designs with Rhonda Shiflett. Today I'm going to be working with a design pack from close to my heart called Hey Handsome. And I'm working on some photos from my dad when he was in the Army, and I thought that this collection would be a perfect fit for those photos. So these are the pictures that I'll be working with today. Dad in his uniform. Some of the pictures of what he was doing over there in Korea, a little bit of the work, and some of the people that he met. Okay, so this is going to be a 2-page layout. So I brought in my Versamat, and I just have a little bit of tape on here just to help hold my paper in place while I'm working. So let me just get these on here. All right, I kind of pre-planned so that I wouldn't be hemming and hawing while I'm trying to make my page. So I think what I'm going to do is bring in some of the green from this paper pack, Hey Handsome. Put this down. Okay, and I love this orange. I'm going to use this picture here, and the picture already had some white around it, so I just did a little white matte, a black matte. I always like to matte my pictures with white and black, and then I just brought in some of the army green. So I think I'm just gonna, let's see, slide this under here, perhaps. I think I'll do that. And I also like to ink my edges, and all I do is just take whatever ink I want, and I just go around the edges like this. I just think it helps to bring out the paper and define the edges. So I'm just going to slide this under here, and then I'll set my photo about like that. Let's put this about right here. Maybe I want this out a little bit further. Let me see. Can't bring it out too much further. I already cut it. Okay. So I think I'm liking that. Now I want to bring in this paper here. I just think it is so cool looking. And I'm just going to have that as my strip over here on the edge. Just kind of break that up a little bit. And let's see what else we have. Now, this paper pack has a lot of die cuts, and you can punch them out. It also has a project sheet that goes with it, which you could definitely just follow along with these layouts, and you could create 6 layouts with this pack. I kind of just went my own way, but I did punch out these templates, and so I'm going to use them. And let's see, I didn't ink that one, and I do want it inked. So let me do that real quick. I'll slide that under here. And I like this black one here. Just ink these edges. And I think I'll slide that one right under there, like so. And then I have this that I punched out. It's from the die cuts that come with the pack. And I think I'm just going to put this right here for some journaling. But I will have to talk to my dad and make sure that I get the month and the year right. All right, these come from the stickers from this pack. And the way that I do it is I just simply cut them out. I don't take them off yet until I decide exactly how I want to use them. And so I think I'm going to put like this. And then these are also part of the stickers. And I just thought these words were perfect for the way that I feel about my dad, my hero. So I'm going to stick this one on here first. Let's see. And then I can take these off of the sticky back and place them where I want them over here. Let's see how I want them. Okay, I think I like that. Now, let's see. I have this piece that I considered using, but I don't know. I may have changed my mind about that. Let's see how I think about how I feel about this. Okay, I think I'm liking that. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off of the sticker, and I think I'll also ink these edges. And I don't really need to ink these since it's already black. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I found these in the die cut that comes with this pack, and I thought that they really looked kind of cool. It kind of mimics his patch. So I think I'm going to use those. I'm not going to tape them down just yet because I'm not sure how I feel about them just being out here in limbo. We'll see. All right, so I'm going to move on to this page, and I'm going to mirror a lot of the colors that I have over here. I want them on this side also. So what I'm going to do, I think I will keep this going across, and let me ink this really quick. I'm not even sure that you'll be able to see this once I get everything on the page, but it doesn't hurt. Okay, I think I'll slide that under there to bring some of this over to this other side. Actually, it's this one here, which is the back side. You can see that. Okay, so I think I'll just slide that under there. And I love this. It's just one of the zip strips off of one of the design papers. I'm going to use that over here. All right. Okay, let me put these here. And then I'm going to play around a little bit with some See, I've got this over here, so I think I want to try to work it a little bit in over here too. So let me see if I might like this. Still thinking about this little piece, if I wanted to use it anywhere. Okay, I've got, these came from the die cuts. So I'm just wondering if I want to slide some of these in here. I had played around with it and used a bunch of different ideas, and it just felt that it was too busy. And that's not really my style, but I do want to, you know, bring in, try to replicate some of the colors all the way across so that it's a cohesive layout. I think I'm going to glue this down. So hold on just a minute and I'll be right back. So I have everything taped down now. You'll see that I moved the stars here. I thought that they were, you could see them better. And then I adhered these down. I don't want to put too much more on this page because I want to leave room for journaling. I will have to get with my dad, and I might just use this out of the die cuts to do my journaling. But I think I want something over here, and this is part of the stickers that come with this pack. And I think I like You're a Classic. So I think I'm just going to put it down here. Okay, so I think I'm going to call it done until I get my journaling ready to go. So this is Hey Handsome from Close to My Heart. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.